In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Google Workspace. We'll start by using the built-in data export tool in the Google Admin Console. This is the safest way to capture a full backup of your organization's data across services like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Contacts, and more. Make sure you're signed in as a super administrator for your domain before you begin. Open the Google Admin Console and sign in with your admin account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Data. This is where Google groups tools related to your organization's information. Click Data to open the available options. Then choose Data Export. This takes you to the Export dashboard, where you can review what will be included and start the process. Before you proceed, there are two important requirements. First, your Google Workspace account needs to be at least 30 days old. This eligibility check helps prevent misuse on newly created domains. If your account is newer than that, simply wait until you reach the 30-day mark and return to this page. Second, you must have two-step verification enabled on the admin account that starts the export. This is a security requirement to protect your organization's data. If you haven't turned it on yet, go to your Google account security settings, enable two-step verification, and confirm it's working. Then come back to the data export page. When you meet both requirements, you can start the export. Google will begin gathering a snapshot of your organization's data. This process happens in the background and can take hours or even a few days, depending on the size of your workspace. You'll receive a notification when the archive is ready, along with access details in the admin console. Exports are delivered as a set of downloadable archives containing your content in standard formats, which makes them useful for long-term backup and, if needed, restoration. Now, let's quickly cover restoration at a high level. Your export contains data in common formats, such as Mbox for mail and standard file formats for Drive. To restore, you can selectively re-import mail using supported tools, re-upload Drive files to the correct folders and sharing settings, or use approved third-party migration utilities that read these archives. Because this is a full snapshot, you can choose to restore only what you need for specific users or services. A few final tips. Run exports during low traffic periods, store the archives securely with strong access controls, and consider a recurring backup schedule that fits your organization's compliance needs. With the admin console's data export and the right security in place, you'll have a reliable backup you can turn to whenever you need to recover information.